Hi, I just wanted to take a moment to make a little video here on what you should be doing when you log into your Canvas class for Algebra 1. So let me switch here to Student View so I see exactly what you see. When you first open it up, the first thing you're going to see is the Welcome page. It says, Welcome to Algebra 1. Please take some time to get familiar with our Canvas page. The Connect Ed link here will take you to our McGraw-Hill page where you will find all of your homework assignments. You will find important information, including notes from class, on the announcements page. It's not visible right now because I haven't put any announcements up. Be sure to check it every day. You want to check the announcements page every day to see if there's anything that you might have missed from the lecture or our Google Meet, or if there was just something important that I needed to get out to everyone all at once. The discussions is where you can post questions to your classmates and get help when I'm not available. Discussions right here takes you to the discussion board. You'll find help from other people in the class there, as well as I check it daily to see if you have any questions. You will also be required to answer discussion board questions on days we don't meet for class. So any day that we don't have a Google Meet, you will be required to answer a quick discussion board question. Here's a big hint for you. They're usually on vocabulary. This is part of your daily attendance. You can check your grades using the grade link, but the grading scale on Canvas is not the same as Skyward, so it's not your official grade. Things on Canvas are weighted differently than on Skyward, and the categories are not always the same. So it's not the official grade. If you want to check your official grade, you have to check that on Skyward. The syllabus link here is a running calendar of everything that we do on Canvas. It's not the same as the paper syllabus that you would get if we were in person talking about what the class is and stuff. We'll get to that in a little bit. Modules are where you will find the videos of examples for each lesson. Those are asynchronous videos where you can watch me do problems. You can watch other teachers do problems. And it's a chance for you to take notes. It's very important that you watch those before coming to our Google Meet, because at the Google Meet, that is where you bring your questions. You watch the videos, you take your notes, you write down your questions, and you come to your Google Meets and you ask those questions. We answer those questions for you. We help you with your homework assignments at that time. You can watch these as many times as you want. Once you complete your assignments on McGraw-Hill, click Done for the videos and move to the next. After 3 lessons, you will have a quiz. You get 1 hour to take the quiz. If you don't pass it the first time, you can retry up to 3 times. Okay, so as I said, if you click the Connect Ed link, it will take you to the McGraw-Hill page. Right now, since I'm in student view, it's not going to take me anywhere, so clicking it won't do any good. The discussion here takes you to the discussion board. Right now, there's nothing on the discussion board, but as the term progresses, more and more items will show up there. Grades, you can see your grades here. As of right now, nothing's in because we haven't done anything yet. And as you can see, I'm under test student. Test student never has any grades. Syllabus, this is kind of the running total. So you can see what we have here when it's due. And when I click on modules, it takes me to the page here with our modules on it. We have our common resources here first. This is where you will see our learning schedule, when your classes are, what times they meet, that sort of thing. I will update that as needed. Google Meet and class meetings and office hours. Our class will be using the code MS Davis Algebra 1, Alg 1. If you're unable to meet during our class time, please let me know so we can find a different time to connect. That way you still get your attendance for that. And you need to let me know before the Google Meet happens, preferably not during, because during I'll be busy. I won't see your message. So MS Davis, Alg 1. Then next on the common resources, we have the Desmos online graphing calculator. A lot of students do not own one of these graphing calculators that we use here in the classroom. So we've put one onto the Canvas page for you to use. You can type in equations or points, whatever you need to do to use there. So that is part of the common resources available for you. The next section here is the introduction. Notice it says complete all items. What this means is you can't open the next thing until you have read the one before it. So in order to move through this introduction section, you need to click the first one that is open, read through this information here, mark as done, and then when you hit next, you'll notice that the next one opens. Okay. Under what is this course about? That is where you will learn what you'll be learning about in Algebra 1. There's information for your parents on here, your expectations, stuff about late work, how the grading will work, all of that stuff. This is important to have your parents read and then have them email me with any questions that they have, anything like that. This is more closely related to the paper syllabus that you will see if we were in person on paper. Again, read through that. Once your parents have read through that, then mark as done and go to the next one. This one talks about the online book and material. Our book and material can be accessed via the ConnectEd link here. Clicking on that link will take you directly to our curriculum. This is where you will complete homework or practice assignments, whatever you want to call them. Sometimes there will be quizzes and tests on there. For the most part, I use Canvas for quizzes and tests. You can utilize the personal tutor and other resources available, including translating English to Spanish and having the page read to you. You can also access our materials to the district website under the Student Resources page. From that page, it is labeled McGraw-Hill, and it will still take you to the Reveal Mathematics book. All communication will go through the Canvas course, where I will also add extra materials not included on the Reveal platform. Okay, so when you get a chance, read through that again, mark as done, and go to the next one. You'll continue going through these and reading them and marking them as done for the first that first day of class. Next, we have our week 1 assignments. Okay, you have to complete all of these assignments as well. So you open up the first one. Here is where you're going to find those asynchronous videos. Okay, you will need to watch each of these videos and take notes on them. So make sure that you have some paper handy to take notes on. Watch all of these videos. I know there's a lot. All the way down here, okay? The videos are very quick, okay? None of them are super duper long. They're not like 20, 30-minute videos, okay? They're 2 to 5 minutes long. Then you're gonna go to the ConnectEd website and complete your assignment. Okay, after you've completed your assignment, then you can mark this as done and move to the next one. Properties of real numbers is the next one. Once you have done that for all of these, then your Module 1 quiz will open and you can work on that. Notice that it tells you when the Module 1 quiz is due. That means you need to make sure that you are moving through these fast enough to get your Module 1 quiz done before its due date. You have to hit mark done to go to the next one. And I will give you a code for the quiz once I've seen that you have completed all 3 assignments prior to that quiz. You'll get a code from me. So I hope this helps you understand a little bit better how to work through this Canvas page and help you keep on track. One of the biggest suggestions I have for you is to make sure that you are not waiting till the due date to get stuff done. Okay, these will start every week. So you want to start first thing Monday morning, watching those videos, taking notes, so that no matter what day it is that we have class where I get to answer your questions, you're ready to go. I look forward to seeing you. Have a good one.